Hey guys, Jonathan here, Colorado Custom Covers and Decks. Just going over our tiny groove and what we use to stain it. We put a shingle oil on it, clear coat. A lot of people have been asking, so just want to go over that. So we used the rugged shingle oil. We actually get it from Chevron. It's actually a byproduct of diesel. And so you can go to wherever you're at, find the Chevron plant, and you can go ahead and pick some of this up. It's not too expensive, but as you can see, this board is looking pretty plain right now. Down here we got some good grays in here, and I want you to see, once we put this clear coat on, how it makes this thing pop. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this whole board. You gotta stick around, watch, and you're gonna see how this thing's gonna pop. We use like a 4-inch brush, just because then it's quicker, easier, get it on, better than like a 2-inch or a 3-inch. So. So as you can see, how that just totally made those blues and grays pop and come out a little bit better than what it was like a board next to it. You can see the total difference. So we have used like a Penafin stain clear. We use our Penafin on all of our cedar and everything, so we have done clear. The problem with that, it leaves like a orange tint to it, so it's not like a true clear to it. And then what we do is we set up a drying rack. So we've got 2x4s going that way. We lay across. We've got 2x4s going this way. We'll lay it on top, and then another 2x6s going across to lay on top of that. So there's still air getting in there and helping it dry. It dries pretty fast. We'll be ready to go ahead and install this tomorrow. So show you what we do. Just like that, and then this whole row is going to come down this way, and we're going to go another row this way on top of those 2x6s, so we get that nice and dry. It's not touching. So again, the shingle oil is what we use. It looks good, it's great, better than the like polyurethane that has that smells and high chemicals in it. This thing doesn't smell at all. Just put it right on and go, and it looks good. So guys, thanks for watching. Give us a like, give us a share. It really helps us out. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. We'll answer you as soon as we can. Thanks guys.